Kabayan, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. Nolasco here. In this channel we talk about lifestyle, sneaker related stuff. And today it is an exciting day because we had a lot of orders coming in from Goat, eBay, and mostly eBay, and I was kind of happy, excited that sales are coming through. With that said, I hope you like this video. Let's do this. Okay, here we go. Meron tayo na benta. We sold 2 pairs of the Jordan 4s right here. I think I got 3 pairs of the size 5.5 sold on Goat. 2 pairs ang nabenta natin sa Goat na 5Y. Tapos may nabenta na rin natin yung Jordan 1 Electro Orange na size 11.5. Here we go. We got the 11.5 down here. 1 and 2. I got how many left? 2 and 3 more. 11 and size 12 down there. Okay, so 2 pairs, 11.5 at saka 5.5. Unahin natin, let's start with the Jordan 1 High OG Electro Orange. So here we go. Leather quality, and this one is not really like battery soft. Hindi naman siya ganun, pero hindi naman na masama yung ano niya. Pero alam ko maganda yung colorway pa rin niya kasi ay pagka-orange, lalo na kapag wala kang pambili nung Electro Orange. Shutter backboard, diba? So, sold it. Nabenta natin to sa $40-45 ang ROI natin dyan within a couple days. So, it's not bad. And then, ito rin, Air Jordan 4 grade school na 5.5. Ang retail nga pala nito is $150. So, ganun din ang kita natin. We make at least $45 one pair of the 5.5. And then probably I got another 1, 5.5 and 6.5. Might gonna keep those on ice because I wanted to have more return, because I already got my return on this particular ones kahit na ano yan. So ang mangyayari yung mga iba magkikip pa rin ako, kagaya ng size 12. Kung tataasan ko yung presyo, same thing ng 5.5, tataasan ko pa rin yung presyo at yung natitirang 6.5 kasi gusto ko pa rin na mas mataas ang kita. At least some of them's already sold, so I will gonna keep some of the others. And then another sold on Goat. Ito rin yung isa na benta natin sa Goat. Ayan. So marami pa ako ng ganito. Yan. Cleats, legend cleats, pero ito na lang sa natitirang size 10. Tapos meron pa akong size 9. Yung mga iba smaller sizes na 7 tsaka 8. So ito siya, Legend 7 Elite Firm Ground Razor Blue size 10 na clips. Yan. Next, we sold the Jordan 4 White Oreo. We're looking for yung 9.5. So yung mga natin nandito, bigger sizes. Ito yun, 9.5. Nandito siya. So here you go, size 9.5. Tapos may isa pa, size 10.5. 10.5, yun. There we go, 10.5. I sold it for yung 10.5 na benta natin siya ng $294. And then 294 din yung 9.5. So both of them I sold it for 294 piece. And then I don't have to pay fees or selling fees on eBay because it is more than $100. And athlete shoes. So and then I'm gonna pay for the shipping cost. Retail on this one is 294. So I'm making at least somewhere around $100 minus shipping fees. So about 90, 85 to $90. So yun ang kita natin dyan. Okay, so next one, sold the Jordan 11, which is yung grade school. Ang nabenta natin, grade school, 6.5. Ayun, 6.5. Oops. Uh-oh. So, here we go. Ito yung Air Jordan 11 Electro grade school. Retail nito is 140. Sold yung 6.5. Hindi siya ganun kataas pa rin yung benta natin, pero nabenta pa rin natin siya ng 189. Retail niya is 140. So, $45 na kita. Hindi na masama, di ba? Okay, unexpected happened today. So I was kinda said that I'm gonna do some changes with these shoes. So di ba nasabi ko naman na i-hold ko sana tong last na 5.5. Tapos meron pa akong size 6.5 doon. I-hold ko na sana. And then happen is nabenta naman na agad siya. And what happened is I sold it at almost just the same time nitong eBay na to sa GOAT. So hindi ko naman siya pwedeng i-cancel na, lalo na dito sa eBay. Di benta na lang natin, total nabenta na, di okay lang. So ang nangyari is mas mataas kasi yung resale value na nilagay ko sa eBay kaysa GOAT, which is I sold a lesser on GOAT and then I sold it more higher price on eBay. So which is good. So yun, it happens. I always wanted to i-hold ko na sana, kaya lang wala So benta na natin, wala tayong magagawa. So another one, we sold the Jordan 1 mid chili red. Nice color blocking though. Much better if this part of the medial and lateral side should be white. So the retail on this one is 115. We just want to do a quick flip on this one. So how much we sold this one? Nabenta natin siya ng 141.55. So that is somewhere around 30 bucks return. So not bad. Adidas Supernova GTX Boost should be somewhere around here. There you go, Supernova. We also sold one of the Jordan 1 mid white shadow grade school. It's somewhere right there, 7Y. Yun. Okay, yun. So may pahabol pa, Jordan tuloy. Supernova GTX, Adidas. So magkano ba bili natin ito? How much we paid for this one? We paid for this one on Marshall. Nabili natin sa Marshall, $34.99. Tapos nabenta natin siya ng $100 plus free shipping. So that is almost close to triple the money. That's how you do the sneaker game. It's not always Jordans. See? Kahit na yung simpleng Adidas lang na mura mo makukuha mo, mabenta mo pa rin siya ng mahal. So next one, Air Jordan 1 mid grade school, black and white, light smoke gray. So ito ang taas ng resale value na ito. Bought natin $90. Boom. Sold it for $228. Man, ang taas ng benta natin ito, $228. So dapat sana hinold pa natin yung mga Jordan 1 low na shadow rin, pero learn from the mistake daw. So $90, and then sold it for 228. Man, that's almost again triple the money, but double the money already. So nadoble na agad yung pera natin dyan. Okay. Tapos 99.97 Ultra Boost Uncaged Women's, nakuha natin sa outlet to 99.97 minus 50%, so naging somewhere 45 na lang yan. Yan, magandang running shoes to. This one's really good for running. I already have a lot of Ultra Boost and it is very comfortable shoes for running. So yun, nabenta natin ng 103. Alright, so next one, sold this one also on Goat. May pahabol ulit. NMDCS Parley Prime Knit. Kikip ko na sana to sa pang personal, kaya lang medyo nag-aalangan ako para kung paano ko gamitin to eh. I mean, paano ko bagayan pala. Yun. Naman itong Nike Shock. So ito yung my proof na merong resale value ito. This is my proof that this had a resale value. So don't sleep on this when you see this on your area. Wag na wag nyo itong isnabin kasi may bumibili ng ganito. Nike Shock ko nga pala nabenta. 105 nabenta natin sa eBay. So ayun, almost triple the money again. So next pair, Jordan 1 Comfort. Nike Zone X Vaporfly next percent. Ito yung ano, kung hindi mo pa alam ano, dapat alam mong isa ito sa mga hype na running shoes. So dapat alam mo rin kung what shoes to resell, lalo na sa mga running shoes. You need to be updated, especially those are worn by the fastest marathon runner na si Kipchoge. Hindi ko alam yung buong pangalan niya, pero yun. So next po naman na tayo, ito ayan, no? So ikikip ko sana to na pang personal kasi black at tapos ano naman siya eh, so neutral colorway, hindi naman masyadong eye-popping colorway, yung bottom lang niya, pero okay na siya. So magkano benta natin ito? Nakuha natin siya ng $140, tapos bininta na lang natin ng 213. Parang may pagkahawig siya sa Paris, ano, yung Paris na ganito rin. So yan, maganda naman siyang color. Kung black and white midsole lang ang gusto mo, okay na siya. Tapos comfort naman to eh. So yun, ayun, oh, there we go. This is all that we're gonna need to ship out for today. So ito yung isa sa pinakamalaking sales natin ngayong weekend. I mean isang araw pala, Sunday lang. So yun, ang dami.
For our 2021 Video Music Festival. Live music, Cheap Trick, Cold.
Stop painting its track. Pain says you can't.
Ramp down Dixie, you're battling station and injury accident.